Health benefits of drinking bitter leaf juice. Bitter leaf is one of the most medicinal leaves in Africa. It is used to prepare various delicacies and meals. Bitter leaf has a lot of health benefits, especially from its juice. Igbo people call it Onugbu, Yoruba people call it Ewuro, while Hausas call it Shiwaka. Historically, the leaf has been used as a treatment for many ailments from malaria, typhoid, diabetes, diarrhea, tuberculosis, gallstones and kidney disease, to the prevention of cancer and lowering of hypertension. The leaf has also been proven to possess antibacterial and antifungal properties. The best way to enjoy its benefits is by extracting it raw bitter juice and drinking it. Here are some of the many health benefits of drinking bitter leaf juice. 1. Bitter leaf helps relieve stomach aches. Bitter leaf is a well-known traditional remedy for stomach aches. A study in the Toxicology Reports journal has also shown that the plant may provide some protection from stomach ulcers. Most people drink juice every morning to avoid a stomach ache. It helps relieve indigestion and aids proper digestion of food. 2. It helps prevent prostate cancer. Bitter leaf has various anti-cancerous properties that help prevent cancer, especially prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is usually common in men who are above 40 years. Prostate cancer causes difficulty and pain during urination. Consistent intake of bitter leaf juice especially destroys cancerous cells and increases the flow of urine. 3. Lowers high blood pressure. The bitterness of bitter leaf juice helps to lower your sugar level and controls blood pressure. Research has it that hypertensive patients should take more bitter leaf soup or juice to reduce their blood pressure. Doctors advise hypertensive and diabetic patients to consume bitter leaf as the potassium it contains is a good remedy for hypertension as it prevents sodium from spiking up in the bloodstream by flushing out the accumulation of salt. 4. Bitter leaf helps relieve fever. Bitter leaf contains flavonoids, which have powerful antioxidant effects, and can help with treating a variety of health issues such as a high fever. In particular, bitter leaf was historically used in traditional medicine for the treatment of the bacterial infection typhoid fever. 5. Tones up the liver and the kidney. The kidney is a very important organ in the body. If the kidney breaks down, it would affect the workings of the entire body. Bitter leaf does an excellent job of taking proper care of the kidney and liver. Bitter herbs help to tone the vital organs of the body, especially the liver. 6. It enhances fertility. Women are advised to take bitter leaf regularly to be more fertile. Drinking bitter leaf juice helps her woman to become pregnant because it helps to balance the hormones. This is a result of the chemical compounds in the leaf like peptides promotes hormonal balance and boosts your immune system to help fight against toxification. Once balance is restored to your genital hormone, your chances of being reproductive increases. A study in the International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine has shown that the plant may have a positive effect on sperm quality. All in all, the generally high levels of vitamins and minerals in bitter leaf are beneficial to overall health, so will be beneficial to a couple trying to conceive. 7. It aids in weight loss. Bitter leaf juice gets rid of excess fat by eliminating bad cholesterol and unwanted calories in the body that could cause obesity. It is the best medicine for burning off excess fat in the body. 8. It detoxifies the whole body. The juice extracted from bitter leaf has detoxifying properties that help in mopping off impurities from the body. This effect also helps get rid of toxins in the liver, kidney, lungs, and entire human body. In such a manner prevents liver and kidney problems such as stone development in such areas. 9. Aids in the treatment of abdominal issues. Bitter leaf comes in handy in the treatment of abdominal issues like stomach upset, diarrhea, dysentery and other gastrointestinal tract diseases. Drinking a cup of bitter leaf juice twice daily helps bring relief from stomach problems. 10. Bitter leaf helps relieve insomnia. Bitter leaf juice helps in curing those suffering from insomnia. While some people fall asleep as soon as they hit the pillow, not being able to sleep is an issue for many. Insomnia can range from an occasional inconvenience to a debilitating condition. Bitter leaf has traditionally been used to help with insomnia. Take 2 glasses of bitter leaf juice every night, and your body system would be so calm you would sleep easily. You may add a little honey if you wish. Drinking a bitter leaf solution at night, before bed is thought to bring on a calmness and relaxation that aids sleep. 11. It has properties that may aid diabetes. It is thought that a combination of factors mean that bitter leaf may help aid diabetes. Research published in the International Journal of Biological and Chemical Sciences demonstrates that the presence of phytochemicals, vitamins and other nutrients such as proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, ash and other components are thought to act together to lower blood sugar levels. 12. The plant is good for bones and teeth. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant mineral found in bitter leaf, which plays a vital role in the body, including the maintenance of bones and teeth. It also contains traces of vitamin K, which helps the body maintain healthy bones and prevents the weakening of bone tissue, also known as osteoporosis. 13. Helps prevents and cures diseases. The juice prevents diseases such as malaria, due to a component known as natural quinine. It cures sexually transmitted diseases, STD, helps treats hepatitis B, cures intestinal parasitic infections and treats skin diseases such as ringworm, eczema and so on. It also cures cough, as well as toothaches. 14. It helps cure memory loss. Bitter leaf juice cures memory loss even though it could be a symptom of diabetes or another sickness of its own. Still, bitter leaf is very good for treating this. 15. Helps in treating several infections. Aside from all the health benefits pinpointed above, the bitter leaf has the properties to treat skin wounds. It can also help treat mouth inflammations, skin infections, toothache, typhoid, ear inflammation, tuberculosis, and respiratory tract diseases. So if you like this piece of health information, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.